This activity is called I Spy, and the purpose of this activity is to allow the children to practice taking turns through the game of I Spy. Now, the teacher will guide the children through the game of I Spy where they must locate the object that the teacher is spying out for them. Now, for this activity, you will need your help sheet as well as some type of spyglass, paper towel tube, or toilet paper roll, something like that. Now, to lead the activity, you'll say something like this. Okay, you guys go ahead and come on in, and we're going to play a game. Everybody have a seat real quick. Now, today we are talking about taking turns. Who can tell me what it means to take turns? Yeah, go ahead.
I get to go first.
Okay, that means that one of us is going to go, but what else is about taking turns?
I'll go second.
Okay, that means that two of you now are taking turns because one of you is going and then the other's going, and then it could be your turn again or it could be somebody else's turn. So when we take turns, everybody gets to go in order and everybody gets a turn, right? Okay, so we're going to practice that. We're going to see what that looks like. So what I want to do is I'm going to look for some things in the room and I want you to find them, but you have to find them with this. So you'll look through it and you'll see what I'm seeing and then you'll show me where it is. Now I only have one of these, so we're going to have to take turns with it, which means one of us will use it and then we'll give it to somebody else and we'll give it to somebody else and everybody will get a turn. So as I describe the object, you look for it and tell me when I find it and then we'll pass it on to someone else, okay? So we'll let you go ahead and start, Aaron. Everybody stand up and let's make one line right over here. And let's see if you can find what I'm looking for. The first thing that I see is it's a square and it's red. So do you see anything that's a square and it's red? It could be on the floor, it could be up high. Oh, I think you found it. Very good. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Well, let's let Jennifer take a turn. Okay. The next thing I see is going to be made out of cloth, and it's going to be something that you would wear. A lot of people wear them on their heads. Oh, there you go. All right, you found it. Okay, let's let Daryl take a turn. All right, Daryl. The next thing I see is a rectangle, and it is green. It's kind of a small rectangle. I think you found it. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Very good. Okay. All right, very good. Everybody come on in here and sit down. Now, obviously, you would play this game as long as time allowed, just spying out different things in the room and giving kids each the opportunity to have a turn. You'd end the activity like this. Did you guys have fun with that?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Well, let me ask you a question. What would have happened if Aaron wouldn't have shared the spyglass?
Wouldn't have been fun.
It wouldn't have been fun. Nobody else could have taken any turns. Now, do you think that maybe I would have let somebody without this say what they were looking at? No, because the rules of the game, remember, were you had to have this, which means we all had to take turns with this in order for it to be fun. So today we're learning that friends take turns. Now, just like we took turns with the spyglass, we also need to take turns with everything when we're with our friends, okay?